Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this affiliate network platform, which is BizzOffers. So let's get started with the in-depth review about BizzOffers. So BizzOffers is an affiliate network focused on high converting SaaS product, offering up to 40% recurring commission or 20 euros per sales. It supports global traffic and it's known for its generous 120 days cookies duration, giving affiliate more times to earn from leads. Payouts are weekly. Tracking is handled via affix, and setup is beginner friendly, especially for affiliate in niche like parental control, health, and monitoring tools. However, it lacks deep creative support or advanced tools, and it's not as wide as known as bigger network like CJ or Impact. Some users also report average support response time. And here's a very conclusion. The app simply worth it if you were targeting a evergreen SaaS offers and want a solid recurring incomes, but not suit for advanced athletes looking for high-end features or broader brand recognition. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.